Welcome to Swahili School. We offer Swahili lessons for elementary, middle, and high school students. Swahili is an easy language to learn. Laying a strong foundation is important. Therefore, we start with phonics before each lesson. The students will have an immersion experience, reading and writing to fluency and communication. The classes are broken down into pods from Swahili 101, 102, 103 to 108. Each pod is 4 weeks long, or it could take as long as you would like. It is a whole year of Swahili lessons, so 8 to 9 to 10 months, depending on the students. Each pod has 4 lessons and 8 phonics. So the first class is Swahili colors or Marangi. You will watch the video on Swahili colors on Marangi and also learn the phonics. So it's the vowels, vocali, and start with the syllabus, ba, be, bi, all the way to cha and da. Do not forget there is an ebook in the description box. So in the description box, you find the ebook with over 50 pages that you can download. The ebook has worksheets, games, puzzles that are used to reinforce each lesson. So for a small fee, in the description box, click and download the ebook. The second lesson is shapes, Maumbo, shapes, and the accompanying phonics are tha, the, fi, so, thu, all the way to fa, and the second level is GA, all the way to GHA. The third lesson is domestic animals in Swahili. It is fun when you're learning this lesson. Start collecting all the books that you've learned that have animals, the stories that you have learned that has animals, like O. MacDonald had a farm. Start naming those animals in Swahili. Swahili 102 is numbers. There are 5 lessons in Swahili 102, including numbers from 0 all the way to 1 billion. By the time you're done, you can say your birthday in Swahili, you can read your street number or your address in Swahili. Even the highway signs, you can start reading them in Swahili. There are also accompanying phonics in Swahili 102. Use the QR code to get the playlist for Swahili 101. Go to the description box and find all the information that you need for Swahili 101. If you would like a live class, there's also a link for live classes that will take you to OutSchool. We offer live classes through OutSchool, so you can schedule your classes through OutSchool. If you find there's no schedule that you like, email us and we can work with you with a schedule that works for your student. Follow us on our social media handles. Use this QR code, the second QR code here, and it will take you to our link tree. You can follow us on Facebook, on Instagram to get live updates when each lesson is being uploaded. Subscribe to our channel, like our videos. This will greatly help us in the YouTube universe to keep us offering free resources. Also comment on each videos and let us know what part really helped you and which part that we can improve and make it better. Thank you so much, and we can't wait to have you in our classes.